Okay folks, the historic blizzard that dumped 3 feet of snow, give or take a couple inches on either side, that started Sunday night and ended on Monday, has now left the picture. I cleared my walk, my driveway. Look at these snow pile mounds. But more interestingly, there hasn't been a blade that has touched William Street. I think the city of Providence and the state is pretty much overwhelmed by all of this. From what I understand, since I haven't ventured out yet, because I can't get my car out, that the main streets and highways are doing pretty good. Let's take a little venture up William Street here. Check it on my neighbors here.
Still in my jammies.
It's all right. Checking up on you. Hey,
hi, honey. Hello. How are you? Who are these people? Are they city?
No, they're doing the next tour.
They did ours.
Well, don't complain.
But I need to pay them.
If they knock on your door, pull out some cash. Further up William Street here, looks like a lot of the residents have, done their part to clear their properties. William Street, nothing, not a blade. Walking towards Benefit Street now, see what we can find. Big boots on this time. Holy moly. Cleared sidewalk. What's interesting meteorologically about this storm, that way is east, northeast. The winds were howling at 30, 40, 50, gusts to 70 miles per hour at the peak of the blizzard. That was Sunday night, ending Monday night. And it's interesting because there are huge drifts in some spots, 3, 4, 5, 6 feet. But in other spots, there's not much snow that accumulated. So you take the average of the drifts and the low spots, and that's how you get the historic numbers that we had.
Amazing!
See, that's a low spot there. But then you get the drifting over here. Not everyone's been able to tackle their properties yet. But some have, and some are. But then the big question comes, where is the city? Where's the state? This is William Street. Holy moly. I'm standing in the middle of William Street. Drift. Relatively low spot. Private contractors cleared out this driveway, but it doesn't do the folks any good because this is what William Street looks like. Although from what I understand, some of the residents in this condominium said a front loader came in and started up, and this is as far as they got. They're like, that's it, we're done. Look at that. So these 2 cars from this condo can get out. But as we say for the rest of the neighborhood, forget about it. Benefit Street from William Street, looking southward towards Wickenden. People are walking in the street because even though private contractors and property owners, some of them, have been able to tackle their sidewalks, when the plows come by, blocks their access. So guess where they're gonna walk? In the street. What do you think, folks?
Love
You love it? But you're walking in the street. No, so some contractors have been able to clear their properties. This street, nothing. They took a front loader up that far and stopped.